Okay, these two validations that we're using for our proofs are different than what we've had before. We're going to talk about angle side angle and angle side. They already have the proof written. We just have to put in reasons and that sort of thing. So we get two congruence properties to choose from. The angle side angle is two angles and the side between them in one triangle are congruent to two angles and the side between them in another triangle. Then the triangles will be congruent. And then angle side is two angles and a non-included side from one and the other. If they're congruent, then the triangles will be congruent. So we just get to do drop down for the reasons. So RT is congruent to VT. We would do given RTS, VTU. I like to kind of trace them so I could see where they are. These are vertical angles, so you'd put vertical angles. And we have, then you have to kind of see, is the side in between? Is RT and VT between the other two angles, or is it non-included, like not between them? So we have RTS, RST. So we have these two angles, and then RT is on the side. So we have these two angles on the side. So this one's going to be angle side. So you really need to check and see and maybe even draw the picture, okay? So QR and SR segments are congruent, that's given. These two angles are congruent and that one is given. Angle PRQ, oh, we want the vertical angle. And I want to write these three letters in order. So we have first, third, second. So I'm going to do TRS. So I have first, third, second. Okay. Now I'm going to draw on this figure so we can kind of see if it's angle side or angle side angle. So QR and SR. Let's just do the QRs right here. Angle PQR, PQ, so this angle, aha, and then PRQ. So see how the side is between those two angles? So we're going to say that the two triangles are congruent by angle side angle. Haha, there we go. It's, yeah, if you can redraw it and kind of look at it that way, that helps. Okay, so they gave us both the givens, angle DFE. Haha, so where are we? Angle DFE and angle must be DFG. Let's see if we do this. DFE, DFG. Okay. Notice how I like to see if they're in the right order. All right angles are congruent. Okay, we know that. And then angle DEF is congruent to angle DGF. That's given. So you want to just check your givens. Side or segment DF is congruent to segment DF. That's reflexive. So if it's the same side. Okay, reason. All right, so let's draw on here. We have DFE is a right angle. Okay, so we know this angle, it said angle DFE, we got that already, DEF, this angle, and then what side? Ah, so that is not included. So here's the two angles and a side that's not in the middle of it. So we want angle side. And so I just did one triangle instead of doing both. So I just went down the left side. So I used the DFE, DEF, and then the side instead of showing them both. Okay, wait, so I said angle side. There we go. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.